My name is Jay Gupta, Class 10C of TAV Public School, Sector 7, Rohini. Today, I am going to tell you about the course which I am doing in the lockdown. After doing this course, you will be able to make your own app or a game in the format of APK or web app. This course is provided to school students through the Atal Innovation Mission of the Government of India. I have enrolled for this course through my school's ATL code. The course is on the platform Plezmo. Plezmo technology is an Gurgaon-based Indian company.
Let us see the course. So this is the Plezmo app, and on the right side this is the display area. We can change the display area size. This is the code area, and this side app design area, and there is the expand app category. Here in the code area we give command to our computer what to do when, example, when background button is clicked, play button is clicked, go to canvas app screen 1, 2, etc. This is my app screens. This is app screen 1. Here we have to enter our name. This is the rules of the game, and there is the gameplay, and here is the scoreboard. Here I am changing the time to 10 to 25 seconds. Text, and also this is the labels. These labels we can edit them any time. I'm changing it live to 5. This is game. Click the strawberry from amongst the berries. The strawberry keeps changing its position. After some time I will show you how to play the game and how to create the app. This is code area. There are so many codes I have given to my commands to make a small game. In this, I will show you the website of Plezmo, from where we can access the courses and see the videos. Wait a second. This is the website. I'm going to log in. It takes login many times. So I have logged in. Here is how to log in, register, and the courses I have completed and I have to do now. This is a really good platform for visual programming. See, I've done course 4 and I've done only 2 more courses, course 5 and course 6, web app development with data analysis. From here we can go to projects and then 3 dot click, and then from here we can create Android app or create a web app. We have 2 options. I have created an Android app. So come, let us see the app. So let us play the game. Here is the game. I'll open it. It is taking quite time to open up. Here comes the notification. The system is saying something. Let us ignore it. Enter my name, Jay Gupta. Okay. Now I'm clicking submit. Rules of the game. You have to click out the strawberries from the berries. Second, if you clicked on the other berries, you will lose life. Third, you will have 5 lives only and time limit will be 25 seconds. Okay, now I continue. Okay, 25 seconds. Oh, it is moving quite fast, changing its position frequently. Okay. Oh, where it's gone? Oh no, quite difficult. I am facing difficulty in my own game. I'm not a well gamer. Okay, I'm losing time. Okay. Oh, time finished. High scorer hacker 24. Who is this hacker? I don't know. Well, thank you for playing game. Hope you enjoyed it. Now I'll quit.